This is so freaking awesome. This is technology I've been waiting for 20 years.
Yes.
Look at those lines behind me.
He's talked about a robot lawnmower for a very long time.
Look at that.
Yeah.
That is crazy. We believe products can change your life.
And this is one of those products.
The Lymow One just came out, and this is going to be our 2-week review, and we have a lot to talk about.
A lot.
There's all kinds of news. I can't believe I'm going to say this, but if you love mowing your yard, you're going to love this. If you hate mowing your yard, you're going to hate this.
No, you're going to love this.
You're both going to love it.
Yeah. Everybody's happy.
Everybody. Like, I never thought I would say that someone that loves mowing would love this product even more.
Yeah, because they're not really mowing.
But if someone's mowing, you're gonna be mowing a lot more. I've been mowing every day for 2 weeks.
Mm-hmm.
We missed yesterday because we went to the golf thing, and we got back after we walked.
No, we did mow yesterday. You mowed last night.
Oh, I got back home and mowed.
Yeah.
After we walked 6 miles, almost. I wanted to get home and mow.
He was excited.
And I hated mowing.
Yeah.
Absolutely hated mowing. But look at us here. We're grilling. We're mowing right now.
And we're just sitting here.
Okay, now we got to talk about some bad. Even after I say all this bad stuff, at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how much I love this mower. At the end of this video, all this bad stuff, I'm going to tell you at the end, I love this mower. I would buy it again. 100%.
Oh,
what
absolutely, 100%.
We got to say something else.
We have an affiliate link for Lymow. It'll be linked at the bottom of the video, and we do receive a small commission on a units bought. You don't pay any extra for that. That's just...
Yeah, and I want to make sure you're clear on this. They don't tell us what to say.
Right, we're not sponsored. We bought this with our own money.
This was our money that we paid for this.
Yes, but we are affiliates now.
Yes, and that's awesome. I love it. I love having a link. I love being able to see if you've bought something that we've talked about. It just makes it so nice for us, for me, because I love to have the data. It will not affect what I'm gonna tell you all kinds of bad stuff. I mean,
yeah,
that's just the way it's gonna be. All this bad stuff, I went on the Facebook group and I tried to find out everything I could that was bad. We've had one go into a pond. We've had, there was a bolt break on the motor, and what's the torque spec? I asked on there, what is the torque spec? I'm not getting very good answers back. Check the bolt and the size, and the torque spec for the blade should be in the manual. That should be one of the things. The motors are loose, so you need to check your motors in the back and the rear. If there's any loose things back there, check that, okay? I've seen another one, I've heard of it a couple times now. But as far as the guy in the pond, I had mine go into a no-go zone. That was my fault. I tried to make a no-go zone around a trailer. I'm kind of hoping you can do a no-go zone where you keep it there and then you get rid of it and you can make it a go zone. You know what I'm saying? If you move something out of the way, even like a trampoline or something, you move it over out of the way and then make it into a go zone and it can mow it. But we have a trailer like that I would like to mow, you know, just like that. It's a go zone, no go zone. It went in and got stuck, went in there, it shut off, but it was in there about 4 feet. And that's a no-go zone it went into. I drawed the map and it like had nowhere to go. It was they need to get that fixed. That's a software issue. The other ones was hardware issues. I'm hoping they can get those fixed. The charging, we're still having the charging. They need to get the charging fixed.
Yeah, we need the fast chargers.
We need the fast chargers. Well, I'm talking about cleaning off the I put out a video. It was about sharpening the blades. I've taken it down off YouTube. I got some comments, you need to disconnect the battery. Well, when I looked up in the manual and it said sharpen blades, it did not say disconnect the battery.
Just said keep it off. Make sure it's off.
Well, I don't even know if it said that. It does say in the manual, if you do any maintenance, disconnect your battery. So I didn't say that in my video. I can't change my video. I either take it down or whatever. So I'm taking that down. I don't want anybody to get hurt. I want to make this very clear. When I do a video, I'm thinking about, I'm making this video for me and my wife if we was 20-somethings, 30-something. I'm making this video for my wife if I'm not home. Just watch my video if you need to know. And one of the reasons I want to do all these videos is because, you know, I may be gone for 2 weeks and my wife may need to mow without me there. What we did last week, I was on my lunch break 2 hours away and we mowed this yard right here. That's just awesome.
Because I'm home.
Yeah.
And I just, you know, I'd make sure he was going good. I'd check on him every now and then, and he was mowing away.
We have cameras. Like a lot of the places, there's 4 cameras that I have on this thing. And if you guys bought one of these, I mean, how long ago, when I bought this mower, I was like, we got to get cameras. I want to see this when it starts going. Because do you remember how the vacuuming robots was when you first got them? It was horrific. Like, it took years for them to figure out the software so they'd quit getting stuck and all this crazy stuff. So think about this with this mower. This is brand new. I mean, you get a car, you're talking, how long have these car companies been in business? 100 years? You're getting these car companies and they have recalls all the time.
They still have issues.
So I was seeing on the Facebook group, there's people mad because these ain't right. They're like, they pushed them out, there's all this stuff's breaking. And then there's people on there like, hey, we're trying to work, we're trying to fix it. Well, I want to be on both sides of that. I'm gonna go down the middle on that and say, I want to say both of them's right. They shouldn't be sending something out that wasn't ready. They overpromised a bunch of these features, and people's trying to do this stuff that was in some of their videos. They should have not done that. They were showing this thing bush hogging. I mean, tall grass, taller than the machine. They were showing it ramping over stuff. I think it went a little too far. I've been seeing some of these yards these people are trying to mow, and it's like, I wouldn't take a piece of machinery on this. Like, it's insane. Like, and it's kind of cool seeing some of these places too. And you got to realize, sometimes this thing has a remote control on your phone, and it works really, really good. I have, out by my road, I'm mowing it manually because I'm scared a car's going to hit it. Not
so much that he's going to run out. I mean,
yeah. Well, he kind of does a little bit with his.
You know how people drive.
Oh my gosh.
Never know.
You got to use your common sense with this machine.
Yeah.
And as far as the no-go zones and stuff, I've not seen him do any of that.
Other than the one back here.
That was a no-go. And I'm talking about the boundary.
Oh.
I'm not seeing him go outside the boundary. I want to make this clear too, like every time he does a perimeter mow, the first lap, I think you should be watching it.
Yeah.
Like, make sure everything's clear.
Yeah, we make sure all the dog toys are up. We just hit a
rock over here that he got a hold of.
Yeah.
You know, make a lap, check your thing, watch him as he goes around, and you know, after a few months, you should be able to trust him. You know, and one of the things is I don't like is he's going around counterclockwise, he's going around clockwise, and when he does that, like she said, he hit this pole back here. Well, he goes around the other way, he doesn't hit the pole. So I don't like that. You know, they got to get that.
He should know that's there no matter what direction he's going.
Well, I'm saying I want him to go one way so I know that he's fine.
Yeah.
Because I'm trying to make it okay to go both ways. I'm trying to make a zero weedy yard. We believe this product can change your life. And when I think of that, I'm thinking of my wife. I'm gone for 2 weeks. She's taking care of this. Or I'm thinking of a 70-year-old couple. The man has taken care of the yard. He's bought one of these. He's gone. Something happens. He's in the hospital or he's gone. What's the wife to do? What if she doesn't have kids? She doesn't have the money to hire a landscape company. She doesn't have anybody to come mow her yard. What does she do with her yard? I believe these machines can help do this, but this one's not ready. There's a lot of people, should I buy this right now? Should whatever? And I'm going to tell you, if you are not ready to deal with this thing daily right now, then you're not ready. Don't get this yet, okay? If you're worried about the price increase, they've been telling us pretty good about the price increases. So I'm thinking the next price increase may go all the way to $3,000, like they said it was going to go. Mm-hmm. If you're looking for one, been on the other forums, and I've seen Yarbo and these other ones. Yarbo's probably the closest thing, but it is so expensive, mm-hmm. It's insane.
Like twice as much.
I was looking, they was comparing batteries. Their battery is like, to replace it is over $1,000.
On the Yarbo?
On the Yarbo. This is a huge machine. To replace that battery for that much money, and it's only gonna last, they said 500 cycles. This one's supposed to last 2,500 cycles. That's crazy. I mean, that's way better. With the motor issue, I'm hoping it was one of the rear motors. I'm hoping it was just he said it was like a loose boat. It was
mm-hmm.
loose in there or something. We're gonna have to check ours. I should have did it before I mowed. I forgot all about it. We've been so busy. You know, we went to that Live Golf thing, and yeah, make sure you check out some of our other videos too. We do a lot of other stuff except for mow.
Yeah, we're not just the mowers.
Yeah, we do a ton of reviews on a ton of stuff, and that's even going to different places too. And testing products. Yeah, that was an insane day.
Yeah.
We got a big story to tell.
Yeah, we have a story on that one. Yeah. Stay tuned for that video.
But as far as this mower goes, I just can't believe I said if you love mowing, you're going to love this. You know, I seen this guy mowing. He had a rider, then he got out a push mower, and then he got his weed eater out, and then his blower out. And like, even with the blowing of this, we was talking this before we started the video.
Yes.
Like, you have to go out and blow all the weeds and stuff off. Mm-hmm. I think it's going to cut down on our weeds because it's not mm-hmm. blowing that stuff everywhere. Mm-hmm. I think that's really going to help.
Yeah.
It's just so nice. Our yard looks
the best it's ever
looked. I mean, you can see.
I don't know if they can see the lines back there, but
yeah,
it is the most satisfying thing watching him do that.
Yeah,
and we're just
and
sitting here watching it.
And our yard's looking better. It's just so awesome. We're doing a video on this backyard oasis kind of thing. We got these stupid flies.
Yeah, these stupid flies.
These flies are back, if you remember the first one. We want to talk about, I got to apologize to the guy about you.
You can't say that in the video.
Well, I'll cut that out.
About the nada.
Yeah, the nothing nada. Best wife ever. We picked the best products.
Best wife ever. I didn't hear that part.
I picked some good products. I'm pretty good at picking stuff. You can tell I've picked the best wife ever. Huh? Right?
Yeah, absolutely.
And there was a guy saying, or whoever said that she needs to be in these videos more. Or was it a woman? Do you know?
I think it was a man talking about
how she needs to be in here talking, like having two different views on stuff. Well, that's my whole plan from the beginning. She always, if she's filming, she always has a mic on. I try to encourage her to talk.
Which I'm not afraid to. I just don't want to overspeak him.
I mean, I have all the
He has all the script.
I have all the stuff, the notes and all the stuff in my head. And I'm trying to be better at it. I'm trying to, write everything down so we don't forget, because I forget a lot of stuff that I want to talk about. But another thing, so she's reading, was it the comments on a video, and she thinks I hurt somebody's feelings, and I want to go in there and say, we're welcoming all comments. I took down that video because of comments. I don't want anybody getting hurt. If they feel, we had 2 guys saying I did the sharpening of the blades wrong, totally take it down. Well, she thought I heard it. This guy was buying, and I want to say I'm sorry. I don't say this very often. I'm sorry to this guy, but he said that he was purchasing a mower, and that's one of the hardest things he's ever done. That was the hardest
purchase he's made.
Well, and
the button.
I said something on there, and I'll probably show you what I said. I was like, imagine doing that if you don't know you're going to get anything, nothing, nada. And he said, well, that's not reassuring.
Not very reassuring or something like that.
Is what he said.
And I had told him before the guy even commented back, that's not very nice.
Yes.
And then he commented, that's not very encouraging.
Yes. Basically, what I'm trying to say is I did this
in January,
8 months ago, with
the first 1,000 orders.
There was nothing coming to America. There's nothing.
Yeah.
There was no product. And I clicked the button that he clicked, and it's here.
It's here.
Like I was trying to say, hey, dude, it could have been a lot worse, we've waited 8 months. I don't know how long these new people is going to have to wait, but I bet it's not going to be 8 months, so.
That's in the direct sunlight, so it's probably going to shut off. We're going to have to.
Yeah. We want these videos to help people. That's why we're making all these videos. We're trying to find the best products for everybody out there. Johnny's out here mowing again. The camera went off. I don't know where we left off at, but I think that's enough for today. If you guys have any questions or comments that you'd like to share, that'd be great. But please like and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications.
Catch you on the next review.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey, I went by that meat, and I think it's almost done.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I can tell it smells amazing.
Look at him mowing.
That looks really good.
Yeah. This is so awesome to be out here.
We're just sitting here. Like he's doing the work.
I mean, you guys, if you get one of these, like I was saying, I love it. I love it. I would buy it again. Blah, blah, blah. This is so freaking awesome. This is technology I've been waiting for 20 years.
Yes.
Look at those lines behind me.
He's talked about a robot lawnmower for a very long time.
Look at that.
Yeah.
That is crazy. Look. Turn around, little Johnny. And we're cooking meat. I couldn't do this at the same time.
Nope. It was one or the other.
Yeah. You'd either be mowing or you can't. Look at how much I'm doing at one time. We're making a video, I'm cooking, and mowing. I'm doing 3 things at once.
And I'm getting ready to go in and do some chores, and he's going to mow for us.
Yeah. And we're trying to get it set up where she can mow during the day.
We're just having issues with the app.
We're going to have rain and stuff, and we're going to have to mow. It'd be nice to be able to mow the yard in one day. Mm-hmm. We're going to try that. So. All right, guys. Bye.
See you later.